हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम एफ कलम और आप देख रहे हैं अचीवर्स अकेडमी। सो हम आज मिलने आए हैं अबू ताहिर से, जो अजमोल कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट्स कॉमर्स एंड साइंस की कॉमर्स टॉपर है। तो ही हैज़ मिस्ड हिज पोजीशन, स्टेट रैंक पोजीशन ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ 9 मार्क्स। सो आइए चलिए मिलते हैं उनसे और पूछते हैं कुछ सवाल और बातें और जानते हैं उनकी सक्सेस की राज को, क्या राज है उनकी इतना अच्छा मार्क मिलने की। तो चलिए अबू ताहिर से मिलते हैं और उनसे कुछ सवाल करते हैं। तो अबू ताहिर, many congratulations for securing such good marks in HS 2020। सो सबसे पहले आपको मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि मतलब आपको इतना अच्छा मार्क मिलने की वजह क्या है, मतलब किस वजह से आपको इतना अच्छा मार्क मिला? What is the secret of that?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for taking up the pain and coming to me to know about me and about my result. Though the result was good, still then it was not as per my expectation. I was expecting a bit more, but we can't change what is destined. So what I have received or I have achieved, I have to accept it. I would first of all like to thank all my teachers for all their efforts and for all that they have done for me. I owe to them a debt of gratitude for all they have done for me. The teachers have devoted their time, all their efforts for me so that I can prosper in my life. And they have helped me, and they are quite a big reason behind what I have achieved today.
First, what did you feel? मीन्स आपको मतलब आपका रिएक्शन क्या था? जो मतलब पहले आपने जब रिजल्ट देखा था तो रिएक्शन क्या था? What did you feel when you saw your result at first?
My expectation being broken, I was a bit hard. I was expecting a bit more, but I couldn't achieve it. Maybe my luck didn't favor. However, what is destined, I should accept it. And now I help myself recover from the shock of the result. However, I'm feeling well now and I'm happy with what I have got.
तो थैंक यू दादा। आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे एग्ज़ाम देने के बाद? मतलब आपको क्या, मतलब कितना मार्क मिलेगा? मीन्स हाउ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, लाइक हाउ मच विल यू गेट?
The way I appeared the exam, or the way I prepared, my teachers helped me prepare for the exams. I was expecting to secure a position from the top 10 in the state, but unfortunately luck didn't favor. I couldn't. However, the exam was too good and I was thrown back only because of English subject. I couldn't reach what I wanted to reach only because of English subject, in which I scored a score of only 80 marks, and I am quite disappointed with these marks. Still then, whatever I have got, I am satisfied. I am finally satisfied with it.
Wow. So all in all, who has been your helping hand to take away from all difficulties?
I entered the college with least, but now coming up with maximum hopes to do something in life, to prosper in life. Beyond such a change, or beyond such changes, I would like to dedicate my teachers for it. They grasped my hand from the very beginning and took me to what I am today. They helped me a lot. They guided me in all the way they could, and I would ultimately would like to dedicate all what I have achieved to my teachers.
So especially, would you like to mention any teacher's name, like who has helped you a lot?
All the teachers were there supporting me. Specifically, I cannot mention any name, but all the teachers, even for the hostel wardens, they were there supporting me whenever I needed their help. So they are all an inspiration for me, and they were all there supporting me whenever I was in need of them.
Okay, I forgot to tell you that I was also a student of Azmol College. So the environment, it was very nice. I can say that, and the teachers were very helpful. I can say that. So after all, I would like to ask you that how much time did you put into your studies every day?
Being a student of Azmon College, is a matter of pride for anyone, because such an institution is seen rarely. The way they frame the students, it is like a land, it is like a land of it is a fertile land, and where a seed once sown is very sure to prosper, and a seed once sown is sure to bear fruit, get a tree and bear fruit. So there, I would like to say that I was preparing for my exams from the very beginning with the support of my teachers, and lastly, where I am today is, once again I'd like to say, is only because of my teachers' support.
Okay, so do you think that NCERT book is sufficient for securing good marks, like the way you had, and आपने कोई ऐसा रेफरेंस बुक यूज़ किया है?
I didn't use any reference book. However, what the teachers told me to the books to be followed, I that is listen to their instructions, and as per their instructions, I used the book, and most importantly, I went repeatedly through the books so that I could get the most out of this. And going through the book helps anyone a lot to be very thorough with what the writer or what the chapter wants to forward or wants to say.
Okay, so according to you, what is the most difficult subject in commerce stream, and how did you overcome all those difficulties?
A subject being difficult depends on the student. However, for me, I didn't face any specific subject to be that difficult. Still, then I faced a little hardship with the subject of accountancy. However, with the support of my teachers and with all their supports, I finally overcome this, and the final score was also a good one in the subject.
Okay, so very nicely answered. So according to you, what is the preferable time to study? Like आपके according कौन सा time मतलब ज़्यादा preferable है, morning या night?
The time scheduled by the college for our self study is worth mentioning. The time scheduled by the college was perfect one, and from my point of view, I'd further like to add that to get more, or to focus more, or to stay more concentrated, it is better to study at the morning, because at this time the mind of every person remains fresh, which helps a student or anyone to get the maximum out of what they are trying to.
Okay, so according to you, what is the ideal time to complete syllabus? Means before the session, before the exam.
This, for completing the syllabus, every student should start from the very beginning of the session. They should go thoroughly through the chapters, and before pre-final, they should try their best to complete their syllabus, so that they can get maximum time to revise what they have gone through the year.
Okay, so according to you, what is the proper way to revise the chapter or syllabus before the exams?
The technique I used was to go through the book and go through the chapters thoroughly, and this helps us gain the maximum of the chapter. And finally, we can at the time of revision, we can, that is, go smoothly. We do not need to revise something repeatedly, because going through the chapter helps us get what the chapter is trying to convey. This helps us to complete our revision on time, and we can revise the syllabus more and more times.
Okay, how much, according to you, how much important it is to practice the practice paper before exam?
Yeah, this is worth mentioning. The practice paper or the exams taken before the final exam is very important. This helps the student gain maximum confidence, so that at the time of examination, if any question appears to be out of one's expectation, they can very easily face the situation, and they will take the question in such a way so that it doesn't affect the other question. Internal exams being taken repeatedly helps a student to face such situations, and this helps them a lot during the time of examination, and they can easily face any situation of difficulty.
I have faced many problems, like many of the students, they are failed to write their exams on time, even if they know all the answers of the questions. Okay, so what do you say? What is the how do you overcome the problems.
Yeah, this is a big issue which needs to be brought under light. Now, time management in the exam hall is a very important thing. To overcome such problems, I was also a prey to this issue. Now, in my college, exams being taken repeatedly, I was able to plan how to attempt the questions in the final exam. And appearing exams repeatedly will help a student to that is to plan how they are going to write the answers and how they are going to manage the time in the exam. So to overcome this problem, every student should try to write exams repeatedly, and this technique in my college, exams being taken repeatedly, helped me a lot to overcome the problem of time maintaining in the exam.
While you were preparing for exam, आपने कोई ऐसा मतलब social media use किया? Means at the time of your exam, while you were preparing for exam, did you use any social media like Instagram, Facebook? So did you use any social media? और आपकी ये मतलब आपके according ये distraction है या helpful है study के लिए?
I was being admitted to a college where mobile phone is strictly restricted, and at the beginning I took it, or I felt it like being a barrier for me. But as time went by, I could understand that being away from the mobile phone is quite important during your studies. And I was far from the beginning of the year, since mobile phone was not allowed in my institution. Far from the beginning of the year, I was away from any kind of social media, because I was away from my phone. So this I can say that this helped me because being away from mobile phone, I could devote a bit extra time, I could devote a bit extra time towards my studies or other activities.
Okay, very nicely answered. So in coming year, those students who are going to appear exam, for them, would you like to give any tips or would you like to say anything for them?
I would like to ask the students to take their decisions properly. First of all, choosing a good college is very important. And when question comes towards college, I would like to ask them to at least try to try to know about my college from where I have passed out. That is Ajmal College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Hojai. If that is for once they go through the information of the college, or they try to know the details of the college, I feel like they're really going to be inspired, and they are going to they will decide to do their higher secondary education from the college. And this is a very important decision to be taken. And further, the stream to be chosen, that is, the students should not choose any stream under someone's pressure. They should for more and more time they should think of it, that what is the stream they are going to take for they should make decisions by consulting some experienced persons. And they should during their studies, they should start preparing from the very beginning of the session. This will help them this will help them get more time at the end, so that they can make the best use of the remaining time and prepare very well for the exam. And I hope everyone will do well.
Very nicely answered. So with this, we are coming to the last question. That as you have scored such good marks in all those subjects, and you have scored good marks in all those subjects, you have come with letters in all subjects. So in your future, in coming days, are you going for any competitive exams like UPSC, APSC, AJS, such like?
I feel good in appearing competitive exams, because I feel good in facing competitions. And I will surely sit for some competitive exams, though I'm not sure what kind of competitive exams I'm going to face. Still then, I will be sitting for competitive exams, and I hope I will succeed.
So thank you very much, Abu Tahar. With this, we have come to an end of the interaction. So we have come to know from Abu Tahar that the way he had studied, and what is the secret of that for scoring such good marks. And we have come to know all the facilities of Ajmal group of colleges. And the teachers were very helpful. We have come to know, and all those questions, all those answers, we have come to know from Abu Taher. So thank you very much all for helping us, and please keep on touch with Ajifa's Academy to get more videos coming your way. Thank you very much.